Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome! My name is Rina, living here in London. So, if you know me, I love haul unboxing, what's the prices in UK, tour around London where I am living. So, in today's video, this would be the first time that I'm going to do this. This one is opening a mystery box. Actually, I saw it and if you can see in the box, there's nothing. I don't know if this is what, okay? That's why I'm going to open it. I'm not the one who ordered this, and I don't know also what's inside because my husband is the one who ordered these items, these two items. And it's 2 days already outside, and we put already alcohol. So if you can see, it's like there's like, what is this? Like it's wet because of the alcohol. Okay, so are you ready to unbox the mystery box? And can you guess what is this? Please, if you can guess, let me know. Okay, this is the first box. The second box is a little bit bigger. You can see. So we're going to open the first box. Okay? And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new video. But my uploading of video is Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. That is 10 a.m. UK time and 5 p.m. Philippine time. So please join me in my premiere because I do premiere every time. And then my live streaming also is every day. So join me if you have free time or if you want to meet new friends. Okay? So if you can see, it's wet because we put alcohol. So this is already inside. What is this? Let's see what is this. The alcohol. The smell of the alcohol I can smell. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited. What is this? Oh, so much metal. It's metal, styro. Can you see it? Metal. Another, oh, let's see. The alcohol go inside. That's why it's so bad smell of alcohol. Alcohol. It's one. And then, I have here this metal. Okay, let me show you. What is this? Oh, it's wet. Okay. This metal. And another metal. And, okay, paper. And I think there's nothing already. I think. So what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Can you guess what is this, guys? You know, I just have my unboxing of my TV stand. And this one is TV mount. Yeah. TV mount. It means we need to throw the TV stand that we bought last week, because this one is TV mount. It's like it should be in the wall. So this is this. That's why this one, if you can see, actually, to be honest, guys, I talked to my husband. It's because he bought the TV stand without asking me. After that, I told him, why you didn't bought the TV mount? Because it's better and give us more space. And at the same time, my son is growing. So at least if my son is roaming around, he will not damage the TV. Because to be honest, right now our TV is a little lower. So later on, when my son is like 2 years old, I'm sure he will damage it. So he said okay. That's why I didn't know he bought this one again, because you know we just bought the TV stand. Anyway, so that is our first box. I'm happy for the first box, but I feel sad because the money with the TV stand will be go to waste, and yeah, it's another waste, you know, waste of money, waste of things. But this one is better, and it's easy. I'm sure it's easy to put in the wall. I just need to follow this, and please join me while I will put it in the wall, okay? Maybe I'm going to make it as premiere as well. Okay, guys, so let's now proceed to the next. Okay, I will not watch at the back. I can see something. So it means there's something. It's not mystery anymore if I will see it. So I will not watch it. Okay? I hope you can see me. Or the box, at least you can see me. You can see the box. And this one. Yeah, okay. This is, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. Look at that. Can you guess already what is this? One. Yeah, 1, 2. And this 2 leg. What is this? Is that leg? Or what? Yeah, this is 2 already here. Okay. And yeah, okay guys, did you saw it? I have here 2 of this and this one. So you know already what it is, right? This one is a chair. I don't know why my husband bought this. Yeah, this is a chair. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, it's a chair. Let me fix it. I think it's just so easy, so better I will fix it now for you guys to see. I really don't know. Time to time he ordered things. You know guys, I want to order many things like ring light, tripod, MacBook. I want also to buy wallpaper and many other things, but you know what, I didn't order yet. It's because oh, the color is so nice, very lovely. Yeah, it's like cream, not cream, like cappuccino. So I didn't order because I afraid this time. Anyway, oh, this is it's nice. Hopefully you can see it in my camera. Yeah, so how should I, what is this? This is like that. And this one, I will fix this one guys. And I think this is just easy. Okay, so I think this one is here. And this one, where's the paper? We'll just follow the paper. Oh no, this is another. Where's the other paper? This one. So this one. So first is I need to want to. What is this? Number. Oh my god, I forgot the plastic. I don't know. Is it the number 1 or number 2? Yeah, what is this? I think this is in the down. Yeah, this is in the down and this is in the up. Yeah. So 1, 2. So this is in the up. Put it in the up. And then this one is here in the down. Oh, there's something, guys. Look at. Can you see? There's some stain. Can you see? I can see some stain. Yeah, here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's some stain. I don't know. Should I complain about it or not? Can you see the stain? Or it's not obvious there, huh? Yeah, there's some stain, guys. Yeah, there's some stain. I think it's not good. The stain is not good, but let's see what we'll do with that. And this one is this. Can you see me or not? I don't know, but okay, we'll just try to fix it. It's very easy, I'm sure. This one is not, it's not hard.
Yeah, so we have a new chair. Actually, I like when I have something new, but of course, sometimes I'm thinking we don't have space for all our things, you know? Yeah.
But it's nice to always have new things. Okay, so we're going to, what is this? This one here. Let me check the picture. I need to see the picture. What do you think, guys? Can you comment below if I should complain about it?
I complain about the stain or no need. So this is like that. Yeah. Yeah, it's like this. And like this. Is it right? No, it should be like this. Should be like that. Yeah. And I need to screw it. Yeah, number 2. Okay. Just put it on the side. And then this one. And this one. Need to screw this too. Here. Where's the screw? I can see it's here. Which is very easy. Just these things. Just for the TV mount, it will take time for me. But this one is just easy. How to put it? I screw it here. Can you see, guys? Or I put it down. You can see.
Guys, please feel free to grab some snacks. It's easy, I know, but I just need to tight this more. And the good thing about this is you can change this. Yeah. You can change this cover. So that is just the good thing. But I should know how much is this. I will ask later if how much is this. Tuck. Yeah. You cannot see me, guys. I know. I just need to fix it faster before my son. Oh. What is this? I think you can change the cover. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you can change. You can wash. This is good, guys. You can wash the chair if you want to. Because I will show you later. There's like here, you can see here. Look. You can change it and wash it. Wow, that's good. Comment below, guys, okay? If you want me, I complain or not. Oh, it's easy like that. It's a little bit strong now. So this is our chair, and this one we're going to put this. How to put it? Let me check the picture of this. Okay, down. Okay, this one here. Okay, this one is it correct? It's here, and the 2 is here. Okay, it's easy. You can see. I will show you a picture of this later. Okay, so this one, guys, if you can see what I'm doing here, it's good. And the other side, it's very easy, this chair. I like this chair because it's very easy. Oh, why it's like this? It's not like... Wait, guys, I should not tight it because I need to fix it the other side. Okay, I should do like this. So after this, it's all finished in this side. I will show you the finished product in a while. Okay, so we're going to go to the next side. So far, so good. My rug here become damaged already. And this one again here. And this two here. It's so much down. This is just what I noticed. I don't know if I like it like that or what. It's a little bit down. Yeah, it's a little bit down. So it means when you sit down to this, you will go so much down. Of course, it will be so relaxing, but it's so much down. Okay. So we're going to reveal the chair. This is the chair, guys. Yeah, what can you say about the chair? Is it nice or it's not that nice? Yeah, what do you think? Is it good, this one? This is the chair already. It's nice, but what do you think? Do you think it's nice? Yeah, it's comfy. It's nice if you have some plate, you have some coffee here, and then you sit down here. It's comfortable. So so guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the mystery box. If you did enjoy, please click like and share this video. And if you want to see more of my videos, please click the subscribe and hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new video. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye-bye.